Even though my feet are killing me without an end in sight.
Here I'm going to show you how I do my Herbalife shakes. I have protein drink mix, Formula 1, and I have that in flavors vanilla and Dutch chocolate. Then I have 8 ounces of cold water. I have crushed ice, about 4 ounces. I have a half of a banana, some peanut butter, and we're just going to put all the ingredients together, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment here. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching. Here Adam's just giving me my weekly shot of the Lipotropic injection. It helps improve the breakdown of fat in the liver and speeds up your metabolism. Here are the shots. They are $25 a shot and we take 4 home a month, so it's $100. Now these are the types of snacks that I snack on in between my meals. Anything high in protein is really good for the metabolism, especially if you are doing Herbalife shakes. Now this is just a banana with some peanut butter on top, or you can do hard-boiled eggs. You can do rotisserie chicken, you can do deli turkey. Anything high in protein is really great to snack on. Even some almonds, anything of your choice. I also drink about 3 of these bottles a day. You want to make sure that you drink plenty of water. I just have these little Cornish hens, I season them up, and then I just eat that usually the way it is. I'll do a side of veggies or a little bit of a starch, but if you're trying to do a weight loss, you might want to do just veggies with your chicken.
Green salad up, a green salad down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green salad up, a green salad down.